Yeah, big, big up Monday, yeah, big up.
Maximum respect.
Yeah, maximum. Kanabis Selfi TV, yeah, big up.
More respect every time. Every time,
yeah.
better.
Exact Monday, each and every Monday, you don't know, a Rehab Sports Bar, right across. All the people that remember the 14th of April, place will be right here at the Bureau 32. They don't know a thing called Kinky Lingerie Pajama Edition. You know the one at the year to year annual party. A lot of ladies going to be here half naked. A lot of cages with ladies, a lot of topless waitress. We have the body bar, the chocolate fountain. We'll give you some money for the girl at the SEXIEST lingerie. So Kinky, 27, you don't know, load our place. Remember GVG also people the 1st of April. You don't know period one of them. Thing called Colors of Vendetta. Only. You want the load our place people, so long up on one day.
Yo, beauty, where you on? Today on Monday, you know, we are do for look more.
Yo, we say I fall upon the exact Monday look more. Yeah man, you don't know about mad thing.
So who are going to produce and record the party?
Kanabis Selfi TV, I got did it.
Selfie!
Oh, Selfi TV. That mean me have to go there then, man. And which artist I go there?
Shane, I got did it. Snowman from town, I got did it. I go mad thing.
And which selector I go play?
Crazy Chris, I got did it. Dexter, if I got did it.
That's why I big up on everybody selector in the world.
For real? So which set of girls them say I go there?
CC Entertainment girls, I got did it. I go mad thing down.
I'm Selfi TV, I'm putting back. Check in live, you know, me represent exact Mondays.
Mad thing, Selfi TV and beauty. You know, say I re-up on the hip strip in the keep. Mobby down, so foul. Me and my friend, them are gonna roll out. You don't know. Shillings later, no.
Sexy gal full of curves. Hand up your body in a girl. She take the number to my phone and give me hers. She no say you're your one, but you a say you're yours. Yeah, girl. Yes, I am. Yeah, girl. Yes, I am. Yeah, girl. Your posts are up, but the little pretty girl you a boast pan IG, but she give me a nice deep. All when you put her in a hole, she a find way fi try to. She want jump on the bike wheel out. I go me and you keep on a high speed boat. Me say pretty girl, do you have anybody? She say you little man, him a do see baby daddy. Yeah, she tell me say it alright. She say if me feel fit, come over. She show me say she better than up. But me see you on the IG, you a post.
Hi, welcome to Kanabis Selfi TV. Prop up your business. Everything fully up right now. And right now, live in the Selfi TV studios, the one and only Beauty, the girl who has been shelling various music and dancehall videos and dancehall channels and Kanabis Selfi TV. The celebrity herself, Beauty. Beauty, what go on?
Right, sir.
Me there, man. You have to go project your voice to the camera right now. Where they on?
Yeah, man.
For real, man. Glad to have you live up on live. Kanabis Selfi TV, you see me? Right now we're alive still, so what you say? What go on? You touch your exact money look more?
What you mean, man? You don't know me. I go and start out my thing.
Yeah.
Link up couple of my girls them.
Yeah.
And they roll out and nothing good. You
Yeah.
see me? You don't know Kanabis Selfi TV. I got it down.
Right.
Dexter Pepper, enough more artists. You don't know.
Wow. Alongside Crazy Chris and CC Entertainment girls, you know Shani will be there, plus the Snowman all the way from Kingston will be there also, along with the Kanabis Selfi girls, and you know what heap of people are going to do the same way. So, alright, talk the truth. What time at the party are your party time?
Like in 2:30 them time, like, you don't know the girl them are all out and them are dash out and them are do them thing.
Yeah.
That's the vibes, yeah.
Alright, so I have to go work with your time. 2:30 them time they say, all like at them time then.
Yeah.
Alright, wait. Alright, so Beauty, suppose if you forward out the same, because remember say you do a song, you know. Whole heap of songs. Suppose if you go out there and the people and you see a couple of your fans them and they say, alright, then go on because you do a song or say, how do you come to your people then?
Yeah. course.
How you mean? Alright, so you just catalog, you just watch the crowd and just study for the crowd and the whole catalog.
Yeah.
How you mean? We up and stay up. Alright. So Beauty, no more place out there like where you want to big up. You want to big up some places where you want to forward at the party, come shell the party.
I mean, I big up Rose Lights, Flancam, Salem, Westgate, Iron Shore. You don't know, you just roll out and come to the party.
Oh, you mean the whole, the whole mobile. And remember, you know, people, remember the snowman. That's what you call it, the snowman from Kingston. They walk with him snow stick like him a ski. Yeah, that's the same snowman there. Never fall from Kingston, so you know more the whole of Kingston. Lock him same way, you know what I mean? St. Catherine same way, the whole of Jamaica. When you have a drive, just shove out and come make it possible. You know what I mean? Because we have the top shelf specials, like for those who want them NSC. You know what I mean? Now, in the Kanabis Selfi TV studio live, you know, for the Ciroc crew same way, you know, it's all about the Ciroc edition same way. So when you talk about Ciroc, you talk about Crazy Chris. When you talk about NSC, you talk about Dexter Pepper.
That's all that big up on anybody selected on the world.
When you talk about Selfi TV, you talk about cannabis. And beauty. You know what I mean? So everything fully up. So stay alive, keep it tuned, and stay tuned to Kanabis Selfi TV for further info for exact Mondays.
I mean, you don't know say about mad things, so you better get there.
True.
Get there.
Get there. Right, get there.
Check in for the first time of the boss himself, Sean come.
Over there, live living for life. You know, shelling tonight. I want to say nothing in one go. Shelling. In one go, you see. Yeah, man, I'll be a madness tonight.
Police reading, tree buckle,